Super Eagle, Super Eagles, Super Eagle players, Super Eagle players. Kò ní yẹ gbogbo yín. Kò ní yẹ yín. Go better for all of una. Na me talk am. Na me talk am. Me I be confirmed footballer. Me I dey play. I dey move. Me I no dey play the way I dey take dey play o. Me I be confirmed footballer. Na play to score me I dey do. No be to play to pass only. Where I no fit go. No. Only footballer wey we get for Super Eagle. Na just 3 people. First of all, I want all the guys to notice one thing. Listen. Our back dey tight.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LEGE MAIMI ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí àwọn Nigerian Super Eagles bí wọ́n ṣe lùsì sí Dr. Congo tí wọn ò lọ World Cup. Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ náà, ó ní bọ́ọ̀lù náà ó ní dùn gidi gan. Ó tún wá bú arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí NWABALI tí ó jẹ́ goalkeeper Super Eagles. Ó bú arákùnrin ọ̀hún. Ìjà ńlá ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́rìn arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí LEGE MAIMI òṣèrékùnrin pẹ̀lú arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí NWABALI tó jẹ́ goalkeeper Super Eagles. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú.
You know, it doesn't say when dem comot Osimhen, Basi and this our number 2, they hold that back tight till when we play 1 hour, they no score us. But all our midfielder and the one that dey front, all of them, they be no buku. They are playing to pass. They no play to score. That one a player. Say all those one dem be players. They can't play shots from outside box 18. Make it enter. If na dey pass, pass. You know, no fit. Na dey scared to play ball. No dey play shots. No fit dey play shots. Dem comot Osimhen. Your life is spoil. Na earpiece na go put for eyes. Na go do the leg like this. I say na one post for social media. Na one post. You want like this. So I guess they wait for you now. They won't post now. Today not one post now. Now one take grace. All of my passing in journey. It must be for you. Osimhen, you are a great footballer. In Jesus' name, God will lead you. You will not regret. Baka, Zeris they come for you. PSG, they come for you. BBT, they come for you. You understand? No worry. And the Basi, for no be all footballers sabi play penalty. Basi, no worry. Again, we play. No be all footballers sabi play penalty. You understand? Hopefully, you that one number 2. You are a great footballer. It will be. Say, Nigeria dey owe your brother. Say Nigeria dey owe Okosha. Wey be say they no fit comot you. I don't understand. Say Nigeria jọ Okosha lówó ni tẹ́lẹ̀ yọ owó bi. Tọ́wọ́ pé tẹ́ bá yọ ọmọ ní Okosha bá ní kẹ́ bá wọn gbó tẹ́ jẹun. If dem comot owó bi, so Okosha go dey request for money wey Nigeria dey hold am. They owe you Okosha. Wey dem no fit comot your brother. Wetin happen? We no wan see Iwobi again o. We no wan see Iwobi for Nigeria that team again. We no wan see am again o. And this goalkeeper, if you only buku, you know fine. And where me I sabi you, na penalty sabi. If you are talking of penalty, you be baba. We are another one. But your way you too much for pitch. You go to live fake life. You go to live like a be chairman. You just get money never reach 2 years. You dey be like a big man. You never reach anything. Me say if I get money pass you with your football career. Only buku go keep oloshi. No go better for you. Next that time, they carry baskets, parana, they carry go your papa house, they hail am, go see the way people say go beat your papa one day. Only blue. All these Super Eagles players, make them comot them. Make them comot everybody. Only Osimhen and Basi and Ofuloju, that number 2. Simple. And that's it. At the best, I cut here.